teachers which are provided by us may be good or may not be good, or the teachers of your school may be good or better, but not good. It's not a matter. By the end of the day, we need to have the mechanism of whoever teach a lesson, whether the child understood better. That's a key point. That's the way many online projects will be struggling a lot. So we are giving a solution that we are going to have a blended e-activities, and we are going to give several sections, several categories on that line. Okay. Now, so our uniqueness of our ICE pedagogy model is blended e-activities, and these activities not only test the students as assessment part, but also it makes sure the students are learning something. So this is the main objective we are having, and it's like digital spelling fill in the blanks model. When you click this one, you have the spelling and all. So if you you can have that one. Suppose if you don't know the answer, no problem. The child can get the answer from this hint. Then I got one word hint. Then they can guess it. If they're not able to guess it, they can get one more hint. So now is organ. Maybe I can say organ. Okay. Now what happened? Now press enter. You check the things. It give only 5% mark. So if the answer is correct, the computer system will like check like this, and you can also make them to read the things. Okay, the teacher can use this model as a interactive teaching method.
Organs together make up an organ system.
Okay, now the key thing is whenever you are getting the hints, your mark will be reduced. So the key thing is the first attempt you wanted to score answer, and then you get 100 out of 100. So this is what our ideology, and this is what goes. Okay. Now the second thing is true or false. So this is another set of things, true or false. So the true or false things that you can select, and so you can hear all the questions and all being given. So this is one type of things. The assessing students. Then we have that find the odd one out. So these are all one word question. Fine. This also can be, anyone can do that. Okay. Now our objective is we need to understand one that the professional testing methodology in the school level testing methodology. For example, we talk about the NEET exams. So the same subject which are taught in the school syllabus, the students are scoring more marks. When they go to NEET exam, they are not getting that marks. So we need to understand why it's happening. So we did a research on that. We found that the difference between the normal teaching and the testing method and the normal assessment method from the NEET's perspective is one question, one answer is a normal method. So the child can easily answer the way. But one answer, 10 different types of questions, or more different types of questions, because that's where it involves conceptual learning. So the conceptual learning is incorporated in this our ICE pedagogy system, so that one chapter's questions will be asked so many different ways, so that the child can understand the concept very clearly. It's not just memories and vomiting like that. That won't work. So we will make sure the students are understanding everything, and the students are practicing everything, and by that way they are doing. So I'm going to show one more activities for the match the following. In this match the following, yes, we have that you can have the drop-down activities. You can have the drop-down activities. You can check it out. Okay, and the same activity can be asked as a drag and drop activity. Okay, so the teacher first they have to do along with the children during the classroom. Then the same content, same activities, the blended activities can be given to the students at home, and they have to practice. And the parents can easily ask to the parent, because they need not know what exactly the lesson content, but the parents will be asked to whether your child is scoring 100 out of 100. So we have to make sure we have to tell the parents, yes, make sure your child is scoring 100 out of 100. Even though all the answers correct, but when the mark isn't, they may have attended. They have attempted several times, and they may have asked the hints and all. But the first attempt they have to make it. So this is what. So I'm going to next example. I'm going to teach exactly what I'm going to talk about. Okay. Now, okay. The 1 mark questions. Okay, fine. Now, what about the 2 mark question and 10 mark questions? That's another critical thing. So we have formulated a new methodology the clicking activities. So for example, the typical 2-mark question, I'm going to ask the question. Okay, now this is the one is just to give the answer question.
Question 1, answer briefly. Name the salivary glands in our mouth.
Okay, now the answer of this question is broken into 2-3 pieces. So now the children have to, so now we know exactly how the system works. It can be applicable to all our blended activities. Okay, now just this is the first part. Then that I'll just go for the this part, just something, and I'm doing this one this way. Let me check it out. So now it's the first thing is over there, the remaining part is not correct. So now I'm going to give the right answer. This one, and this maybe this part, and this part. Let me check it out. Now again it is not correct. So what we'll do, and this one. Okay, now we check it out. Now the answer is correct, but we got only 50% mark because we 3-4 times we attempted. Okay, so we tell the parents when this is says when the student is supposed to do that the activities through his mobile phone or laptop, and they have to make a screenshot and make sure they are what they completed. Okay, now they completed, but the answer is I got the answer, but I got only 50%. So this is not acceptable to us. So now we tell the parents, make sure your student or child has to score 100 out of 100 of this model. Okay, this particular case. So now I'm going to redo this, restart this same questions. Now this time the first attempt I'm going to make the correct answer. Okay. Now the first part is the 3 parts of glands are, and this one and this one. Now let's check it correct. Now it's 100%. So that means this activity can be used by the students as many times as possible in order to understand, and they have to score marks. And whatever they practice, and when the final things comes, they have to score marks, and this things has to send the screencast should send to the parents, and the parents send to us, so that this is the way we want to make sure the lessons, whatever we are teaching, whether they understand or not, whether they listen or not, but we have to make sure the lesson content has gone to the child's mind very clearly, and we have to make sure the students are scoring marks. Now for any question they can ask it. So like this we have so many questions we have designed. Okay, like this you have all the questions are there. Similarly for the 10-mark questions, yes, fine, you can also see similar way all the 10-mark questions break down into pieces, and these pieces be assembled. And this is the way the child can understand, because you can't just go here and clicking here and there. They have to forcefully read and understand, and then only they can do that. So this is the method the uniqueness of our method. We make sure the students are learning everything. Okay, and then that final thing is like we have several other activities like crossword puzzle, higher order thinking skill. Again the same thing, drag and drop clicking activity. The crossword puzzle is like how we are doing this now. Here they have to do that sign. Okay, they type like if you don't know, I can hear the hint and enter the end. You start with it. So maybe you can say neuron, something like that. You enter, or something the spelling mistakes wrong, but we have to do that properly. Okay, so this is the way. You have to make sure. So this is the correct answer, and enter, and like that. Okay, but please understand one thing. Whenever you are having a hint, the mark will be reduced. So we allow the student to use hints, understand better, but when it come final thing, they have to score marks. This is the model we are introducing, and I'm sure this model definitely will be the best result when the government is new education policy emphasizing exam for 5th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard. Doesn't matter. We can our students can easily do that if they adopt this methodology. Okay, and so finally, we are also going to give international, competitive